morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our presentation assembly. Yes, it is Friday the 21st of October 2022 and we're finally here, the end of half term. And as you can see, we're here to celebrate all those children in years 5 and 6 who've earned themselves presentation certificates. Not only that, we're going to have a little look at some house points as well and some golden ticket winners at the end as well, just to show you the amazing amount of work that's gone on throughout this half term by all of these children. You're not going to see a great deal of me this morning, just amazing children. So, over to the year 5s. We're going to start off this morning looking at the top 3 house point earners in each of those classes. Obviously, we're going to start in year 5 in Miss Musselwhite's and Miss Arthurton's class. And as you can see, look at all the house points these guys have been earning. So we've got Joseph, 35. We've got Marshall on 45. We've got Berrin way out on the lead on 51 house points. Amazing. Multiplied by 5. You see how many merits he's earned. I know he's doing that maths as we speak. So well done, Berrin. And then in Miss Arthurton's, we've got Eva. We've got Fiona. And we've got Jakisha on 33, so 30, 32 and 33, so close in Miss Arthurton's class there, only a few house points in it, so keep it up guys. And if it isn't you on that list, I know there's children just below that as well in 4th, 5th and 6th who are dying to get on that top 3, so really well done you 6. Special round of applause for you guys, so really well done, super impressive, and to keep it up over half term as well, well done. On to the year 6s, and again, look at the number of house points these guys have been earning in Mr. Davison and Miss Percy's class. We've got Harry on 24, we've got Alana Rianne on 35, and we've got Mia on 38. So very close again, but lots and lots of house points, really well done. And then in Miss Percy's, we've got Racer on 26, we've got Riley, 49, and we've got Olivia on 50 house points as well, so really well done you 6. Super congratulations, big round of applause for you guys, and keep up earning all those merits and house points, you superstars. Well done. We might see some of those faces in a minute as well when we're handing out certificates, so let's have a little look. In year 5 we've got our effervescent English stars as always, with Miss Musselwhite and Miss Arthurton giving some fantastic certificates out to Cleo, Joseph, Willow and Alfie Jack for some amazing English. These guys have been writing beautifully, so really well done guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you absolute superstars. On to our reliable reading stars, and these guys are Fiona, we've got Thea, we've got Marshall and we've got Abe. Look at these big smiles, and they're just making me smile as well. But not only are you guys getting a reading certificate, but you get a reading book to take home as well. So well done with your reliable reading. Some of you reading twice a day at least, and just amazing. So please let me know after half term what you think of your new reading book that you take home with you as well. So well done, guys. On to our Meritorious math stars. Meritorious maths, indeed, they're earning loads of merits. They really are, for all the maths they're doing. We've got Lacey, we've got Eric, we've got Jack, and we've got Jakisha. So really well done guys. I know you're earning loads of merits, but actually your maths is amazing, and that's in your work, and whether that's on Times Table Rockstar as well, it is phenomenal. So just keep that up guys, super impressive. On to our scintillating science stars. Now these guys not only have got such a wealth of general knowledge and science knowledge as well, but they're so inquisitive as well, wanting to find out more and producing some amazing science. We've got Eva, we've got Berrin, we've got Millie, and we've got Oscar. Again, big smiles on their faces. They should be smiling. They've won themselves their science star certificate. So well done guys. What a fantastic half term of science, and keep it up over the next half term. You superstars, well done. And our polished PE stars, look at these physically active heroes of mine. They're brilliant in their PE and games lessons as well, and at break and lunchtime non-stop. So you've got Heather Rose, we've got Tilly, we've got Ollie, and we've got Mahir. And these guys know what it means to be physically active and physically fit. So well done you guys. Just keep it up please guys, because actually it'll serve you well later on in life when you grow up as well. So well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Our hard-working history stars, look at these guys. You can see it. You can see it in their eyes. They are hard-working. They're amazing, inquisitive, and have brilliant general knowledge as well. But they're loving their history as well at present. So we've got Diego, we've got Bailey, we've got Lexi, and we've got Milana working so hard throughout in their history. So really well done, guys. Super impressive. And enjoy taking your certificate home today. You superstars, well done. On to our year 6s now. Look at our year 6 English stars. Look at these guys. Thumbs up, Alex. Indeed. Look at that smile. And Eliza, look at the English work as well. It's amazing. So we've got Alex, Eliza, Subhan and Ryan Lee working so hard in their English. So really well done, guys. Super impressive. So keep it up, please. And just the amount of writing that you're doing, you can see from Eliza's book there, is phenomenal. So well done. Onto our reading stars again. Not only are these guys going to get a reading book, they're just reading avidly, but they get their reading certificate as well, so they get a book and a certificate to take home with them. We've got Dale, we've got Amelia, we've got Gemma, and we've got Cameron reading at least twice a day. It's amazing, guys. Well done. Keep up that reading, and let me know all about your reading book, and tell me all about it, and hope you enjoy your new book over half term. Well done. And our mathematicians, look at these mathematicians. Maddie, what an amazing smile. So we've got Harry, we've got Maddie, we've got Dylan, and we've got Jessica, working so hard on their maths, knowing their times table, brilliant at times of Rockstar, but just being super efficient at all of their maths that they do. So really well done, guys. It is super impressive to see and see how you work through your maths mastery lessons as well. So really well done. And keep it up. Keep being amazing mathematicians. You absolute superstars. Enjoy taking a certificate home today. Superstars. Our scientists, look at these scientists. We've got Noah, we've got Andrea, we've got Mia, and we've got Lena. And the science they've been doing has been phenomenal, really looking at hearts, looking at how they work, the lungs and various other bits, labelling, dissecting. It has been phenomenal science in year 6 this half term. And I know they've really enjoyed it, you guys, and you've been super inquisitive as well. So really well done. And keep it up next half term as well. Absolute superstar. Enjoy taking certificates home today. Our history, look at these historians. Bella getting really into that with her Mayan dancing there. Look, Kieran, Olivia, Dexter and Bella there getting your history certificates. Really well done. And I know you absolutely loved your Mayan dancing there, for we had that day of that, and you all threw yourselves into that beautifully. But the work you're doing on history as well, the questions you're asking, being inquisitive, your general knowledge as well has been phenomenal. So really well done, guys, and keep up the amazing work in year 6. Well done. Enjoy taking certificates home today, you superstars. Our PE stars, I know a bit about these, taking these guys for games, and they really are. We've got Ariam, we've got Claudia, we've got Layla, and we've got Riley, being physically active and just being absolutely amazing in all of their lessons, but at break and lunch times as well. You'll see them as well, never standing still, just being physically active and just getting stuck in there. But these guys are absolute superstar physical education stars. They're good at their running, they're good at their keep fit as well, and they're absolutely brilliant. They know what it means to be physically active and physically fit. They really do. Enjoy taking certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Final shout out just this morning. I thought we'd look at all the golden ticket winners for this half term, and there are lots of them. So it's really nice to get their names up in lights and give them a little shout out for golden ticket winners throughout this half term. And here they are. Here they are. We've got Summer, we've got Reese, we've got Claudia, we've got Ellie, we've got Milana, Chiquisha, Jack, Reese, Marshall, Mahir, Mia, Olivia, Willow, Alfie, Jack, Alicia, Tyler, Berin, Fiona, Eva, Reggie, Riley, Eric, Ollie and Riley, all being amazing. Well done, guys, on earning those golden tickets. It's been a fantastic half term. You've worked so hard, well deserved, and just keep it up over next half term as well. If it's not you up there, see if you can get your names up in light for the December presentation assembly, guys. So really well done. Huge congratulations. Just keep up being amazing, and thank you from Mr. Allen. Well done. Just as I said at the beginning of assembly, weren't they amazing? What an amazing group of children, and all those golden ticket winners as well throughout this half term. It was phenomenal, so really well done. If it wasn't you, don't worry, just copy those children, because who knows, it could be you when we come to the Christmas presentation assembly, so look out for that. As you can see though, look, it is Friday the 21st of October 2022. We break up today at 3:15, ready for our half term holiday. So we've all got a week off coming up, so well done everyone, worked really hard, well deserved rest coming up. But just a little reminder for parents, we are back on Monday the 31st of October 2022. We're back on that Monday, gates open at 8:30, ready to start the second half of the autumn term. Everyone please have a really safe and well deserved rest over half term, and until Monday the 31st, we'll see you all then. Bye bye now.